हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल जी के अपडेट विद उन्नति। अगर आप चैनल में न्यू हैं, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर करें एंड नोटिफिकेशन बेल ऑन कर लें, जिससे आपको हमारे अपकमिंग वीडियो की अपडेट मिलती रहे। तो आज के वीडियो में हम 14 अगस्त 2025 के टॉप 30 इंपॉर्टेंट करेंट अफेयर MCQs गो थ्रू करेंगे, जो कि आपके अपकमिंग एग्जाम्स के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है। वीडियो के लास्ट में क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे रहता है, जिसका आंसर आपको कमेंट करके बताना होता है। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। Which telecom company has partnered with Nokia, Ericsson, Qualcomm, and Cisco to provide advanced training in 5G, AI, ML, and networking at its Jabalpur Training Institute? And the correct answer is BSNL. Second question. Which company formerly known as Aditya Birla Insurance Brokers has acquired the Indian arm of UIB International? And the answer is ADMI Insurance Brokers. Third question. Which general insurance company has partnered with Mahindra and Mahindra Financial Services Limited to expand motor insurance distribution? And the correct answer is ICICI Lombard General Insurance. Fourth question. Tata Consultancy Service TCS has partnered with which company's telecom arm to boost digital infrastructure in the Philippines? And the answer is Now Corporation. Fifth question. VinFast Auto India has partnered with which bank for auto and inventory financing for its dealer network? And the answer is HDFC Bank. Sixth question. IndusInd Bank has launched which program to provide 360-degree financial support to startups? And the answer is Indus Startup Banking. Seventh question. Which city is hosting the 18th International Olympiad on Astronomy and Astrophysics, that is IOAA? And the answer is Mumbai. Eighth question. On 26th August 2025, the Indian Navy will simultaneously commission which two frontline stealth frigates? And the answer is INS Udaygiri and INS Nilgiri. Ninth question. What is the theme of International Youth Day 2025 observed on 12th August? And the answer is Local Youth Actions for the SDGs and Beyond. 10th question. Who is the author of the book No Minister? And the answer is Subhash Chandra Garg. 11th question. International Youth Day 2025 is celebrated on which date? And the answer is 12th August. 12th question. World Elephant Day 2025 is celebrated on which date? And the answer is 12th August. 13th question. National Narcotics Helpline Manas was launched by which ministry? And the answer is Ministry of Home Affairs. 14th question. Which state launched an advanced system Garud Drishti to combat cyber crime? And the answer is Maharashtra. 15th question. Recently, who will host the All India Speakers Conference on August 24-25? And the answer is Delhi Assembly. 16th question. According to Road Transport and Highways Minister Nitin Gadkari, what position has India achieved in the global automobile market? And the answer is third position. 17th question. Hiromasa Urakawa, who died at the age of 28, was related to which sport? And the answer is boxing. 18th question. Which country hosts the World Athletics Bronze Level Continental Competition first time? And the answer is India. 19th question. Which team won the Men's Asia Rugby Under-27s title in Bihar? And the answer is Hong Kong. 20th question. When was the PM E-Drive scheme launched? And the answer is 1st October 2024. 21st question. How many total medals were won by India's boxing contingent at the Asian Under-19 and Under-22 Boxing Championships 2025? And the answer is 27 medals. 22nd question. Recently, India's first animal stem cell biobank inaugurated at National Institute of Animal Biotechnology, that is NIAB, Hyderabad, by whom? And the answer is Dr. Jitendra Singh. 23rd question. Indian Army launches drone competition Surya Dronarthon 2025 in which state? And the answer is Himachal Pradesh. 24th question. The Income Tax Bill 2025, which has been passed in the Lok Sabha, will replace which old act? And the answer is Income Tax Act 1961. 25th question. Which organization in India was awarded the Quarter Prize 2025 by the United Nations Development Programme, that is UNDP? And the answer is Bibi Fatima Swayam Sahayata Sangh. 26th question. India's first ever drone-based artificial rain experiment was conducted in which state? And the answer is Rajasthan. 27th question. The government has approved the merit scheme. What is the budget allocated for the scheme? And the answer is rupees 4,200 crore. 28th question. Who was given the top rank in the first district flood severity index by IIT Delhi and IIT Gandhinagar? And the answer is Patna. 29th question. Which Indian state is the focus area for the BSF's Operation Alert in August 2025? And the answer is Rajasthan. And the last 30th question. In August 2025, in which states Kagaj Nagar Forest Division were the rare blue pink gill and shuttlecock mushrooms discovered? And the answer is Telangana. तो ये थे 14 अगस्त 2025 के टॉप 30 इंपॉर्टेंट करेंट अफेयर्स क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स। और अब आते हैं क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे पे। तो आज का क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे है, सारनाथ हैज़ बीन नॉमिनेटेड फॉर यूनेस्को वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज स्टेटस, इन विच स्टेट इज इट लोकेटेड? सो इस क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट ऑप्शन आपको आंसर करना है कॉमेंट सेक्शन में।